So I was getting ready for a calm trading week next week, right? I looked at the overall economic reports. There didn't seem to be anything too significant. I looked at the up and coming live streams from the Federal Reserve. There is one on Tuesday, and I'm going to make sure that I list that for you. And then I reminded myself, we're in earnings season. This is the time when companies report earnings. Do you know what companies are reporting earnings this upcoming week? And then I really began to scratch my head and be like, wow, we need to prepare for this. People need to know. And I want to make sure that at least you guys know. So let me go ahead and start sharing my screen. I wanted to provide you guys with a quick little update. By the first video that I uploaded today, I think I was up about 20K. I ended the day up about $26,000 on the day. If you watched my live trading session today, at the peak, I had about 18,000 shares, 17 to 18,000 shares. I sent over my screenshot if you're part of my Learn Plan Profit group for some of my entries and my exits. One of the things I'm never afraid to do is to reduce my position size at overbought levels. Some of the comments when I shared this, like, well, Ricky, what if it continues to go up next week? We've been selling off for 7 months, right? If the market goes up 1 week, I can always jump back in. That is not my biggest concern. My biggest concern is being fully invested in a position. And if the market pulls on back, that I can't tolerate how aggressive that pullback can be. But why? Why would the market pull on back? Let me first show you a pretty cool tool on the Webull platform. First off, if you guys want to download this Webull trading platform, it's available to anyone within the United States, and it's the 5th link in the description of this video. It is a free trading application, and by using my link, you earn 6 stocks by simply depositing $1 if you choose to do so. Reminder, you can have more than just one trading platform, so you can test Webull out, fund it $1, earn your 6 free stocks, and if you don't like it, withdraw your money and let it settle, and then you made a couple of bucks, right? The really cool thing about the Webull platform is that it has this earnings tab. And I just began to mess around with like, okay, well, what's on Monday, right? And then it has the list, Bank of America, all of that good stuff. That's going to be one of the biggest ones. I looked on Tuesday, and we have Netflix, Johnson & Johnson. Okay, good to know. And then I clicked on Wednesday. You ready for this? Tesla. So I'm invested in Tesla right now. And this is why I was like, wow, I should have done a better job preparing for this, but I'm glad that I at least caught it before the start of next week. The reason I wanted to bring this up, and I can go into it. So the reason I wanted to bring this up is Thursday we have Snapchat, AT&T, Nokia. So again, if any of these stocks are stocks that you're invested in, please make sure that you're aware of them. American Airlines. The reason I wanted to bring this up is because how bad the previous earnings were last quarter. And it wasn't that what they reported was necessarily bad. If you remember, right, go back to previous earnings. It wasn't that what they reported was bad. It was their up and coming guidance. And that's a big thing when it comes down to earnings season. It's not just what they report based off of expectation. It's also what they say for their guidance of the up and coming quarter. Oh, bad expectation for this up and coming quarter. This quarter we killed it. But this up and coming quarter, be ready for some pretty rough numbers. And that's all I remember hearing for Tesla. One of the things that, again, I just continue to kind of remind myself is Tesla's China plant, which is huge, right? Tesla's China plant is going through issues because of what's going on with China, the COVID restrictions, all of that. So it's going to be interesting to see what they report. Am I going to sell my entire Tesla position? No. But again, I want to make sure that I put myself in a position that I can tolerate. My job is never to be perfect. My job is not to predict the future. My job is simply to prepare for it. I think the best way to prepare for anything is to be simply aware of what's to come. Exactly why I'm making this video. I'm more of a visual person, so I know I use the calendar and it works for me. But for those that it doesn't work for, I thought that, if you see any logo of a stock that you're invested in and or we're thinking of investing in, we have Bank of America, IBM, we have Netflix, Johnson & Johnson, we have Tesla, United Airlines, NASDAQ, we have Snapchat, AT&T, Nokia, American Airlines, we have Verizon, American Express, right? Some pretty significant companies are going to be reporting earnings this upcoming week. I just wanted to make sure that you were aware, because I don't want you to be scared. I just want you to be prepared. And the best way in doing so is just to take time and think about best case and worst case scenario, and then ask yourself, can you tolerate worst case scenario? And if you can't, then this is where you're going to have to put a plan in place. Not because it's going to be worst case scenario, but just in case, again, your job is simply to prepare. So wanted to make sure that I made you guys aware of that. Overall, for the economic reports, there's nothing significant. The thing that I just wanted also to make you guys aware of is the up and coming speech. This is at 2:30 p.m. On Tuesday of next week. So this is the Vice Chair, Liar Bernard, and they're going to be speaking. Again, it's not Jerome Powell, but they're going to be speaking at 2:35 p.m. I really don't think I'm going to be live streaming this one. I don't ever find those to be too significant. One of the things that I was considering live streaming is actually Tesla's earnings report. But one thing about Tesla's earnings report, again, it's on Wednesday, and this one's after market close. One thing that you'll notice from some of the biggest companies, they normally report earnings after market hours. It's normally the smaller companies that report before market open. So you will see AMC and then you'll see BMO. That's what it stands for. After market close, meaning that after the market closes on Wednesday, then Tesla will report earnings. BMO means before market open. So before market opens on Wednesday, ABT will be reporting earnings. So I just want to make sure that you're aware of that. So again, if you have any questions that you would like to ask me, feel free to message me via Discord, and that's going to be that second link down below of this video. Friendly reminder, there is no dumb question, right? If you've already tried Googling your question and you can't find the answer, I hope that you know that I respond to all of my direct messages via Discord. Send me a direct message. Again, I can't assist you if I don't know what your question is. So please make sure that you're aware of that. We are also running, friendly reminder, our biggest sale. It's $150 off our Learn Plan Profit 2.0. That's that first link in the description of this video. So if you've been waiting for our biggest discount, then again, it's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and for the next 24 hours, it's $150 off. It includes everything: my daily live trading session, our A to Z beginner lesson library, our private group chat, and yes, access to our TechBuds HQ. One-time payment, lifetime access, and again, right now, $150 off, and that's that first link down below. If you have any questions before you decide to sign up, either message me on Discord, the second link, and or message me on Instagram, and that's the third link down below. Other than that, I think that's pretty much it. I'm very happy going into this up and coming earnings week that I did reduce my position size quite aggressively. I feel like by having a lighter position size, I can tolerate pullbacks a little bit easier. And also I have more money on the sideline staying cash, that if it dips, I kind of get excited because I can buy the dip and make money on the recovery. Again, my job's not to be perfect nor predict the future. My job is to simply prepare. Also, if you guys haven't done so already, we're running our TechBuds staycation, all expenses paid, 3-day trip, and we're selecting 3 winners. So for every $1 you spend on shoptechbuds.com, it equals 5 automatic entries. Anything. If you like the wall art, if you like the mouse pads, you can buy a mouse pad like this one, and it will earn you 150 automatic entries towards the giveaway. So friendly reminder, again, that's that fourth link down below, shoptechbuds.com. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that I earned your thumbs up in this video. If you have any questions, you know how to reach out to me. All the links are in the description. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.